Hi everyone, it's Yandia here. I just wanted to come on today, and first of all, I would like to thank all of the new subscribers to my channel. I know a lot of you hopped on here after seeing my near-death experience on the Jeff Mara podcast. Shout out to Jeff. Thank you very much for allowing me to share my story on your platform, and to your viewers. Just be encouraged to continue loving and living a more authentic life. So that being said, if you're enjoying this content, please remember to like and subscribe. After posting my last video, How to Make Love, I received some questions about how to be present. So I just wanted to take some time to share one of my favorite practices with you, and hopefully it will be as helpful to you as it is to me. The first thing I do in order to get present is to work with my mind. I kind of start from my mind and I move down my body. So I start off like this. I take in exactly where I am, right? So right now I am here at my home. I will take in my surroundings, right? Even just coming down to, okay, I'm here at the farm, I'm in my house, I'm in my living room, and this is the location of where I am right now. So just take in your exact location. Where are you? What city are you in? What's your intersection? Are you in an apartment? Are you in a house? Are you on the first floor, second floor? Are you in your living room? Are you in your kitchen? Are you in your bedroom? Are you sitting on the couch, right? Just take in all of where you are. I call this getting into the here and now. So take your time and just bring your mind right into your current location. Bring it into the here and now. And then while leaving your mind here with you, right? You're no longer thinking about anything outside or anything in the future. You're right here in your room. So after gathering your thoughts and coming right into your room where you're seated or where you're laying down, bring your mind to your eyes, right? Keep your mind in your present location, but now let your focus be on anything that you could see in your room. If you're outside doing this practice, you could focus on maybe a plant or a blade of grass. If you're in your room, you could focus on the ceiling or a light. If you're in your office, you could focus on a book or something that's there, but something that's right in front of you. So you're not straining your eyes too much. You're just looking directly at this thing, and you're going to keep your focus there. So your mind is in this room. Your eyes are focused on an object in this room, close by, right in front of you. And then once you have that all situated, you want to bring your attention to your nose. I usually go to my nose and then I go to my ears. So I go to my nose and I become conscious and aware of my breath. I like to breathe in and out through my nose when I'm doing this practice. So I would just bring my mind to my room, my eyes on this certain object, and then I focus on my breathing. So I would be staring at whatever that object is, staying conscious of where I am. And now I'm feeling my breath, right? Feeling my breath, I'm taking it in, feeling it expanding in my lungs, and I'm just breathing and seeing and knowing where I am. So once I have my thoughts right, and I'm focused on whatever object I'm staring at, and I know that my breathing is nice and regulated, and I'm really conscious of my breath, then I move on to my hearing. And at that point, I just tune into whatever sound is dominant in the room. Or if I'm outside, I would tune into maybe the birds or just the sound, whatever sound that happens to be there. It doesn't matter. I just focus in on that sound. So the key thing for me in being present is to make sure that I am centered in the here and now. And to do that, I bring all of my senses into my consciousness, right? So my thoughts, my sight, my hearing, my smell, or my breath, right? I bring it all in. And last but not least, touch. So I love to this is my own little thing. You could find yours to do, but I usually just like rub my nail, my fingers together, or I rub my nail because then I feel it. Or sometimes I just really touch my, like the top of my thigh, right? And my feet, I would put my feet down into the floor, the ground, if I'm sitting, and I would just, press them into the ground like I am here. So I'm rubbing or touching my hands, and I'm aware I'm touching my body, right? Sometimes I could even rest my hand on my chest and I just rub like this, like I'm here. So you could try that, right? Bring your thoughts into wherever you are. Focus on an object, your breath, your touch, your hearing. Have it all there together, and then you be in the present. Just take some time to just be present, right, in the here and now, and feeling what that feels like. So from this point, I would start giving gratitude, being grateful for exactly where I am. So it would be maybe something like this. You don't have to do this, but this is what I do. I'm so grateful that I am here in this body. I am so grateful that I am able to be present. I am so grateful that I have this body. I'm so grateful that I'm able to see and utilize my vision. I am so grateful that I can breathe clearly without any hindrance. I am so grateful for breath. I am so grateful that my hearing works and that I could enjoy sound. I am so grateful that I have the ability to feel and to touch. I am so grateful for being present and being in the here and now. I am so grateful that I have the capacity to love and to feel, to express emotion, to feel love from others and to give love to others. I am so grateful that I have the ability to bring myself into the here and now and be present, to make love, to express love, to receive love, to give love. So be it. And that's pretty much how I get myself into the present. And you can do this anywhere at all times. You don't have to speak out loud. So you could be in the grocery store and you could make yourself present. You could be in a conversation and you could make yourself present. What I do in conversations is I focus in, again, my mind. This is where I am. I'm in a conversation. My eyes, I focus on the person. I give them my eyes. I look directly into their eyes. I'm breathing, right? Regulated breath, easy breath, deep breathing. I listen. I'm listening to everything they're saying. And then I can either touch them, whether it's on the shoulder or holding their hands or just resting my hand on their leg, or I just touch myself to keep myself here. And I tend to do this, because it keeps me here. That's just my own thing. I do this when I'm talking to people sometimes, or, I do this, or if my hands are in my pocket, I'm just, feeling being here. And an important thing too is sometimes you can just, get in touch with the soles of your feet on the ground, like feel where you are, you're here. And that's pretty much what I do. And you can utilize this, like I said, anytime, even if you're making love and you feel like your mind has wandered off or whatever the case is, you could just bring it right back. Focus into your partner's eyes, touch their skin, listen to the breathing. You breathe, right? Take in how they're breathing. You could even put your hand on the person's heart, on your heart, and feel the heartbeat. I mean, there's so many ways. Use your senses. The important thing is to utilize your senses and bring your mind into your area, and you'll be present. So hopefully that helps. I want to thank you again for watching this video. If there's any other questions you have for me, please feel free to comment below and ask the questions. I will keep making these videos to help you as much as I can. Thanks again. And remember, it is my joy to help you manifest your dream life and highest self. Bye-bye.